Independent Television is live 24 hours on Go TV, channel 107, Star Times, channel 130. You can watch from any part of the world on Roku TV, Smart TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Android TV for your favorite programs, news, current affairs, and lots more. You don't want to miss our objective and balanced reportage, entertainment, and sports. Now follow us via our social media channels on Twitter at ITV Radio NG. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/ITV Radio NG. Like our Facebook page, facebook.com/ITV Radio NG. Visit our website for more news stories and lots more. ITVRadioNigeria.com. Watch ITV via live streaming on the internet. ITVRadioNigeria.com/live and click on the TV stream option. Also remember to visit your mobile app store and download the ITV app so you can watch on the go. For advert placement and commercials, call the following numbers:
0805 563 8573, 0803 775 5024,
0708 365 2800, and 0708 365 2474. Independent Television, certainly the best.
The program still work out. They go. Good morning from behind the name of the program. We go look one other matter now. We're going to take small gap more for the one for the toxins. When we wake up, the matter done the day ground saying for not to happen. APC for those days they get issue. Later I see they don't get issue. Later we come here once people when they call APM. Later I see they not there again. Later we come here say they suspend this one. They suspend the other one. First we hear they suspend the chairman of the political party for Edo State. Later I say on that one don't come. Later I say they don't suspend them again. Everybody talk you. Then the one we come here now they say at a point they say they suspend the national chairman of the political party APC when they say they call Comrade Adams Oshomole. Then later again we come here and say different story they happen again. See they no suspend them. Two people go talk to us for this matter now. We say how they go. We get first done Etiosa Ijebo. Welcome to our program.
Thank you.
So I hope that called the name Ijebo.
Yeah, sounds very correct.
We get one of our brother here. People don't they ask whether now one of our staff here and one person will be call me on the talk for matter when we say like this. Tony Alile, welcome to our program. I greet you. We wake up on Thursday. On Wednesday, now we hear say Adams Oshomole, the national chairman of the APC, caught when they for Jabi for Abuja, say make it go as say make they carry itself again as the national chairman of the APC. When we wake up again this morning again, we don't hear on that one again, so on that court also make it again. So we'll take up from there, my brother Tony Alile. How you see the first ruling or an order now in BCAB for the first court?
Well, good morning, viewers at home. Well, Sado, say you know, say I not be lawyer. This one are mostly matter when concern lawyers. But I could take up from layman point. From
when
all,
you feel correct with lawyers.
where would they hear from lawyers since yesterday? See, the pronouncement where the court for Abuja make about our national chairman. Now the one they call interlocutory
injunction.
That one not be interim. That one me say until the whole matter when they grant finish.
No, interlocutory have been interim.
No, not interlocutory, not be interim.
Okay.
So that one may say now lawyers explained this one to me yesterday. So it may say until the matter finish, matter for court, our national chairman will remain suspended. That means the party could put in somebody to replace him. If at the end of the court, the original court when they grant finish,
the original case
when they court finish, and they find out say what did they carry go about the national chairman, say don't be so it be. Oga will go back to his seat. But if it can't be the other way, it could just remain as it be as of today. And you hear say immediately after that ruling by the court, the APC National Secretary, the acting, also come out to talk, say they go obey what the court talk, and they will not go against that. So as far as I'm concerned, that's where we stand right now.
Okay. We hear the other time after I say that one might be where they stand. But the one before I will come, what about the one we come to hear about that yesterday?
You know, say Nigeria, as we all know, it's just so unfortunate. I dey always tell people, say for a nation to be great, now 3 people you go hold responsible. Number 1, the media.
Okay.
Number 2, the law enforcement. And number 3, the judicial officers, which is law enforcement, police, judicial officer, court. These are the people when they build country. I don't think any judge when they say that is, with all due respect to judges, we know what thing they do. Go put in hand for this kind of matter, where one court, of a coordinate jurisdiction, where be say they are part and be the same level. Go don't talk, put it, go still go they change them because somebody open eye for them. It's not very good. From what I did hear this morning, I don't already hear say, National Judicial Council, NJC, say they don't already write that judge when they can. They can explain. I just hear that one before,
that one we go confirm later. You hear what he say, Tony Adele talk now. They say as far as say no, and the first one where they say the name, they say they subsisting. I know, let's record the talk, they smile somehow, and I don't say get with you, go talk for that one before I go ask you a question I'll ask you.
Yeah, well, like they say, with all due respect to Mr. Tony Adele, opinion divides people, and everybody gets right to their own opinion. He started by saying from a layman's point of view, but he ended up as a professional. So with all due respect, I completely disagree with the part where you say, in the sense that there was a time when there was an issue between PDP national chairman, Amadou Sherif,
yes,
and it was also the Federal High Court in Abuja and Port Harcourt that issue. And as at that time, the ruling stayed. They're not talk, say maybe as one first court, they'll give judgment for Abuja, say they need to go appeal court to overturn that decision. They only just went to Port Harcourt because by the establishment of the law as an arm of government, now Port Harcourt get jurisdiction. That was why that matter ended that time. And when the Federal Court pronounced them, for Port Harcourt, you supersede the initial decision for Abuja.
Okay, but this one where you talk now, for this case, who can get the jurisdiction? But the 12, no one there for a do here.
In this case now, first and foremost, the matter what they take before the court for Abuja, na null and void issue, because the national chairman was never suspended. And even if there's a claim and counterclaim saying the national chairman was suspended, on what account the courts look into the matter to understand, say, they even get the right as a jurisdiction, as a court to interfere for a party matter. So, because the party constitution talks, it is only when the internal mechanism has been exhausted, say the processes of resolving a conflict of whether they suspended or not suspended, in any way, whether at the party activity, committees usually they will set them up within the party. When they don't talk into the matter, fully say resolution or do. In some cases, you can amount to engaging with the court. But now they go court without even looking at the merits or the matter before them. They just give a ruling of an interlocutory injunction suspending the national chairman when them, first and foremost, they're never supposed to interfere for APC matter.
Why do they interfere?
Because it is a party affair. Anything to do with the party as an internal matter is not a matter of court to decide. That's what they call party internal mechanism. Okay,
but it's not the long they go now. They not going to get answer now.
See, there's one issue where they go on as per within the state. There's another issue that's to deal with the Ward 10 where Comrade Adams Oshomole comes from. Now we they talk so. Not forget, say people come from northeast. Some people come from southeast to join the suit on this so-called purported suspension. So the court for them to interfere or to give a ruling in the first place, they were wrong. They were not supposed to do that. To even go ahead to give an interlocutory injunction to a national chairman that was voted into office as a member of APC by the whole nation, at least 7,000 delegates, for instance, it is a miscarriage of justice. That is why, as a law-abiding citizen, as a national chairman, when you wake up, see say this kind of thing may happen for TV, news all over the place, which we all know that is all systematically done to have some kind of value. You approach the court that has the jurisdiction, which is the court in Kano, because of federal establishment like the police and the DSS. just like the Port Harcourt and Abuja issue during that Modu Sheriff matter. They are the right people to determine the matter. On the argument before them, the court set aside that judgment and said, no, if there's an issue, you cannot tell the national chairman make it only act until they resolve it within a period of time, if it's not some kind of witch hunt. And
Okay.
And that one don't come, and the matter is settled. The national chairman is still the national chairman of the party as of this morning, and that is here to stay.
Okay, may I come back to you, because you talked something about, you say, na family affair. Why not come carry and go because we listen to family affair? Make I ask you, my brother. Why the matter can't go laugh for court?
First of all, not be me carry and go.
I know why you can't go to court when it's a family affair. When be say internal mechanism, they never exhaust and finish.
Very good.
According to that.
You see, every association, organization that has laid down rules, we would call constitution. The reason why the association and organizations they get constitution now because of this kind of thing when they happen. So that when me I go say that me right, then you say that you right, we'll go to the constitution. If we got the constitution, me and you still not feel agree, we'll carry and go court. For this case when we talk so, Ward 10 Esako West don't suspend
one of their members,
Mr. Comrade Adams Oshomole.
Okay.
They suspend them. It's just like me now. If I do anything wrong, already Ward 11, they go suspend me. And I saw the constitution talk. When they go suspend you, they go pass them to the LGA. If LGA see the ground when I take suspend and say na genuine ground, they go approve them. Then forward them to the state. Then now the state will come put the final hammer. You understand? Whether you be president or you be governor, you be national chairman, you be state chairman, all politics is local. It starts from the ward. That is why the carver, the people who carve the constitution, do them. Make it not be say everything will just happen for up and they will cut them there. So the ward has done their job. The local government don't look them. The states don't approve them. So Comrade Adam Oshomole stand suspended in APC in Ward 10 Esako West. So now that one the court see, because the court not be winch. Abuja not come Bini, he not come Edo. Now paper where they carry go give them. Now in those ones look say, oh okay, according to our constitution, because court not be PDP, not be APC, they just be neutral court. According to our constitution, it talks say if they want to remove anybody from the world, and una do and truth like that. So, but for now, this is the one I do. It don't write for my eye, but we never enter the case. So for the time being, Oga, you don't go fit they continue to call yourself chairman when your ward don't suspend you, because if you don't get tied to one ground, you don't fit begin the plug for up.
Okay, but so, if you look at now, if you go back to waiting you talk now, because you just know that one now you respect, but on that court don't come now, so make we set them aside.
You see,
make we set them aside. You say you are not aware of that one. So the first one, now you say
no, I did not. I didn't say I'm not aware.
Okay.
The one way our party recognized for national, because since there is no national chairman now, until they appoint acting national chairman, now they scribe the secretary. Now everybody they talk to.
Okay,
so since the secretary already talk,
what I try to let us know now, we say the one when it be say the Jabit court for FCT talk, now you they follow. So the one where we say Kanu on talk, you know hold water.
He can never hold water. I tell you what.
Water the time of when you remind us. The time of Amadou Sheriff and that of the other part for PDP national chairman. When I say national chairman, we talk about.
Yes.
You hold water that time. Why you not go hold water this time?
Because Abuja not get jurisdiction for that matter at that time. Okay. Now Port Harcourt.
But in this case,
in this our case, now only two places if you carry this matter go, Abuja or Edo.
No, if you can go, can go.
What did concern Kano and there? What did they happen for Benin?
Okay.
Make I ask you one question. No. If I don't talk this word, it's not complete.
Okay.
So does it now mean from today, if one magistrate court convicts criminal or somebody for one place, the person go wrong, go another court. Make that one talk say don't come out.
You tell us
because
say,
he go fit
wait, you tell us say we na lay all of us be wait now. But we not can understand why they say the court that time you go agree for the PDP time, you not can agree for the APC time. That one is because we now tell us that I say court number precedence. Now what you see before, now go say play out again. I would don't see that kind of thing before. Now they play out again. Say no, but no response. I be left na interest. No, we'll come to you. Wait, now we'll come to you now. We'll come to you. See, this matter when we say we talk now. The national chairman of this thing, you agree with me, and I should say yesterday you agree with you talk. Say, local politics is local. If the war say this man had been suspended, the local government ratify it. And to use the word now, the state government, as a day for the constitution, come put a stamp on top, say,
no, the state party, not the state government.
The state party, come put stamp on top, say, now so it become a party affair now, and all that. So why should this man consider parade himself as national chairman of the political party?
See, well, thank you very much. As far as I'm concerned, and as it stands today, Adams Oshiomhole remains the national chairman.
For you?
For me, based on the law.
Okay.
If you come to the issue of the constitution, I mean, you know, say wonders, you know, they finish. When you be layman, you can't interpret what the law talk in a certain way. If you come to another layman, let go understand what will happen. Let us come to the issue of the constitution.
Okay.
With all due respect, I think say it is a bit denigrating or slighting to the person of the national chairman. Say not the national chairman. He's the national chairman. Thank God say that Amodi Sharif time.
All of us are alive.
They are alive to observe, and that has come to stay. When it comes to the issue of suspension, or purported suspension in this cycle Ward 10, now effort in futility. Why? Because in Ward 10, ward men and delegates, the executive, they don't get the powers to suspend the national chairman of the party.
That's what the constitution of the APC says.
Yes. See, section 21, subsection.
Is it Article 21 or?
Article 21, this is like section 21, subsection 21D, subsection 5 and 6. It's clear. It is only when you be ward executive, maybe a ward leader, now ward ESCO or executive, fee suspend you.
That APC, that, is it for the APC?
It did the manifesto.
Okay.
You just so section 1 I call, so I said 21. D.
No, it did for the
subsection
APC.
5 and 6.
Okay.
See,
we will get somebody. If we get somebody, when we say, you know, I'm not sure say go far from here.
Yes.
So we'll
call. Get one, but when I don't explain, I finish. So now, when you be ward leader, now ward executive fee suspend you, which will be rectified by the local government.
Okay, you know what to do there? I call my brother, tell him, make you bring. See, we get people when we say to work with you. Hillary Odia, you know, sir, you go come just near us here, so that because on a live program, you just come near us, make we tell you what you say you go do.
Me, I don't go coach.
So that you go. We go. No,
I don't go coach anything because
I would like to.
I don't be lawyer.
Make her explain.
Make we see what you say. Help us go outside. Then make you bring this APC hand, this thing. Bring and come. We just check them. Well, we know. So here we did.
Yeah. So now only when it be ward leader, now ward ESCO fee suspend now.
Okay.
Then it will be rectified by the local government and forwarded to the state chairman.
Okay.
Because why? They under the state chairman, under the kind of like a.
So where can be that cliche of saying all politics is local?
All politics can be local because for you to be a member of a party, you must first go identify with your ward and unit.
And if you want to know,
make I finish. Going further, the state chairman of a party or a member of a party, for example, if them sanction the member of the party to say he get involved in what they call anti-party activity, this on that local government level, they can sanction him, and then going forward, the state will rectify him.
Okay.
But then it will be forwarded to the national NWC for ratification. That is if it is within the state member.
Okay, you know what you did there. We don't speak too much of grammar. This is not the constitution of the APC.
You get the point when they try to drive to, just like as you allow them to drive to a point, just to make things make sense to those who they listen to us. Then when it comes to the issue of the national chairman, the national chairman is an elected APC member who is heading the national office, the highest office as far as the APC is concerned as a party. The APC chairman as a party cannot be sanctioned by the NWC of the party because he is the boss of the NWC, coming down to the state, the local government, and the ward level. The only body where you get powers to suspend the national chairman is the National Executive Council. And now once in a while they call that meeting. Once the National Executive Council, like when they do that at Buhari come, past president, as long as they're a member of the party, National Assembly member, ex-governor, so many people like that, former chairman like that, now then goes now 2/3 of those people could still pass a vote of no confidence from the national chairman. Confidence. To say this national chairman is ceased to be the national chairman. This one what they do from what too. In short, now complete disgrace to the fact that people did politics. They even get the constitution to read. They don't even know what it means. I think open the book for you now.
I need to read a for you, so all of us go read them together. We did learn for this thing.
When I think start, I said not be lawyer.
No, but
make it show us.
See, it's Article 21, discipline of party members, power to discipline. Then if you go to Section D of that Article 21 for the APC Constitution, say anybody can buy them. They sell them for appeal court. It's about 2,000 something.
Even if we go for the political party.
Yeah, punishment of erring members. That's Section D. If you go to subsection 5 and 6, which is 5 here and 6, it just says number 5 say any member. That is even going further to say if you even file such court cases against the national chairman of a party who is not a ward elected leader or even state, without using or utilizing the internal mechanism, just like as they set up this Bisi Akande Reconciliation Committee.
The cost of Bisi Akande
issue. If you go to court to do that, you are even sanctioning yourself. It says any member who files an action in court of law against the party or any of its officers, or any matter or matters relating to the discharge of the duties of the party without exhausting the avenues for redress provided for this constitution shall automatically stand expelled from the party on filing such action, and no appeal against expulsion as stipulated in this clause shall be entertained until the withdrawal of the action from the court by the member. Okay. Then each organ of the party shall have powers to remove a party officer or officers, as the case may be, from the office at the level for failing to discharge his or her responsibility, neglect and the dereliction of duty or misconduct during his tenure of office through a vote of no confidence passed against such officers by a 2/3 majority of the members of the appropriate organ and voting subjects to such officers' right for fair hearing. Then he also go ahead to talk about removing the national chairman from office.
Okay.
Maybe at the way I see where they say not be word they suspend person from that place.
There's a
I don't mean the way.
You know what today?
They talk about disciplinary.
But there's an article.
The issue where they argue here.
To be APC.
No, wait. See, I'm bringing out. The thing where they talk here is it appropriate? Say anybody for the party where they want suspend, say starts from the ward. Now that one we carry constitution for. Now that mean 1 year. About the disciplinary thing, now normal thing that until all conflict resolution mechanism has been exhausted, you don't get right to go court. We never reach here.
Okay.
Make you show me. Make you show with that TV now. Make you show me.
I will show you the
how they do that chairman.
Let him be talking.
Why
you spend the rest?
No. Why you are on that? Why you are on that? We will give a chance. Maybe say to look for what you can look for. We will find out from you, my brother Tony Adele. The matter when BCA say you consign Mr. Chairman, so national chairman. Even you install just now, you recognize say national chairman. So I want to find out from you before basically we will go the internal mechanism when basically the APC they don't exhaust everything to settle issues when basically they within the political party before they can go court. Because when I ask my brother, because if I ask many people, they will just say no issue for APC. But with the final access
internal mechanism not be mentioned, no.
Okay.
Not be something where they plan for something. Now we human beings. Right. When I make effort to reconcile two aggrieved individual, and you don't want agree, I will come take him beat you.
No.
So what is different between what I just talked now and exhausting that internal mechanism? You understand? So as far as I'm concerned, the party don't try. You understand, Sado? I don't want to speculate, but there are things I know that I will not say on air. What the party don't do, try, make this issue. And people must be careful when they are looking at this thing that concerns, when they are looking at these things that concerns the national chairman. It is not Edo. This problem, this issue when we do so, it's not about Edo State. it just come happen say Edo, the same thing wey national chairman they do for every state across the country, is still carry and reach Edo. So the problem we get right now is not between, let people get that right. This is not the little misunderstanding between the state governor and the national chairman. That is not it. The issue when they grant, so if pass Edo, even the national chairman, the former national chairman yesterday, the talk yesterday, say,
the first time I don't have the former national chairman.
No, wait. I want to be modest.
Yeah.
Whether you like it or not, Adam Oshokola is a great man. That's our national chairman until that pronouncement 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So he talk out with him mouth say he don't get problem with Edo. Not Edo be the issue. He mentioned some 7 ministers. He mentioned some 7 governors, past governors, and all that. Where he get problem with. So all this issue where he get, where all of us just look so, it's not about Edo State. But the problem where he can't get for a word, where he can't do things where we they call anti-party, like where people don't expect of them. They support another organ inside party, then they flaunt another association inside party that is not supposed to be. Now the world people look and say, okay, we don't call you, you don't want to call me, call settle this matter. Then, as usual, according to the constitution with my brother read just now, they pass a vote of no confidence on now. Whether you be president, whether you be anybody, now that word, if there is no national register, no register for national, no register for state, all party members, now that word, we are right.
So, no matter the level where
you did for life, you are subject.
And that is not correct.
And that one
and I will say it again that it is not correct.
Okay.
As far as I'm concerned, Adam Oshokola is the party national.
That's fine.
The reason why they point out those aspects just now, we will soon look at the constitution again on those who get the powers to remove the national chairman, which is the National Executive Council. It's also in the constitution. We'll look at just in the aspect of say people mention say not be a national chairman talk for TV. He's still the national chairman talk for TV yesterday say now so you wake up, say now so people will get problem with some day or another aspect, some former ministers or whatnot. He further went ahead to say because of their interest to contest for presidency or their
he consign and I get the party.
I'm not interrupting.
We are trying to be very modest here. Now you go talk, who go contest. He consign
now the aspect when I lose something.
I'm sorry, my brother, man. It's not about you.
No problem. So what I'm saying is that when anybody they talk, obviously as a senior brother, I must give her respect. So the national chairman went on to say now because of interest, which means what did they cook up so? Now just baseless things, just to position themselves, giving a time to say we'll come entertain this matter around April, so that means they don't get time to do some kind of bad things. People will even the other party will get double registration. Not be all of them even do APCO. Some of the people from other places, so they did PDP. Some do other parties. In order to connive, to destabilize the party where they don't suffer bill. Sure you understand? So when you talk about the issue of say they call you to call resolve matter, meanwhile ask, what did they set up BC Akande Reconciliation Committee for? I believe say when they come that way, even statement come from certain aspects of organs of government where we are there under. Say that they're happy with BC Akande.
Yeah, I remember saying to the government.
Yeah, they're not there happy with
the state government.
Yeah, they're not there happy with Senate President say the man not this sincere. This one they sincere with the man. Why they not come get patient? Make this very BC Akande committee come in to come resolve these so-called issues we will talk about, if there's any, such that we now go ahead to front.
So for the first time, like they do my work for me. The question I will ask you, don't everybody ask you. Because this one pay them to do your work. Let's say you work on, you can't. Let's say easy for you small, but me not do too much because I still like the work. I never get on that one. So I want to find out from you now. So why that patience no day for us to wait for BC Akande and his people first before BC so we're going to take all of this one?
If you ask me this kind of question like this, say why patient not there, you be like saying I'm carry and go coach.
No.
The case don't already did there. You understand? The case don't already did there, and they were already trashing the case before this whole matter of BC Akande reconciliation thing start. Nobody stop Oga BC Akande reconciliation. I understand say they don't begin to talk to them. Maybe BC Akande reconciliation committee go fit resolve this thing resolve this crisis where our God, former national chairman, get with everybody all over the country. So if we feel resolve them, even good for us. Because all this wahala, they put Edo State in very bad light. And they talked to my friend from Houston, Texas yesterday. The first thing he tell me, he say, this is not problem for Edo, so not be solve them. So, and if everything when you talk about APC, our God matter dey inside. Now that one they bother me. Must you be involved in every matter, just like my brother they talk and just now say, why all these things they do? Because people want position themselves for. He consign them. He not position himself twice. He not position himself to be national chairman, remove a year ago and all. Why can't he just let people be? Must you be the one to decide everything? Now you they start meeting. Now you they end up. You are the chairman, the secretary, the woman leader, the youth leader. Nobody they talk. If anybody talk is a problem. Can we for once have peace in this party? So before us when we come up from party where we take so many years they build and grow, come join here because of one reason or the other. Well, my own reason is very obvious. If to say not be my cousin when they be governor when they contest that time, I'll do where I did. Because I don't like where this one called they don't raise me like this. Okay. So for once, make our Oga slow down. Okay. Make peace for day everywhere. Okay. Nobody get quarrel with anybody for anywhere in this country. All now just one person.
Okay, you hear what TB say they talk now. Say the problem is say people don't get quarrel with the national chairman. The national chairman get quarrel with everybody. That's in the talk.
That is a complete fallacy. Okay. Make I use that word. Okay. You see, when a man if he gets patience, obviously you may also extend the olive arm of say, sorry my brother or this and that. When you go and leave issue and start to talk about the person, it means that you no longer discuss the issue. We started with court matters, we started with the issue of suspension, we started with the issue of people who get power to suspend anybody. If you be politician and you've been in politics from time, even if you understand it from the time of SDP or UPN, even if you read book, they never born you. You're supposed not say to suspend the national chairman, not be waiting even NWC if you do. The National Working Committee, who can even suspend the governor or remove. Now only the National Executive Council. And that meeting they hold on once in a while. You can go on from now on to go look into it. But anybody will know that kind of thing. You know if you understand that now. It go there baseless.
I think the deputy national chairman is Northeast also. You talk on that and say the national chairman of the political party now refused to call NEC meeting.
They called NEC meeting. They called NEC meeting, I think last year. Even when President Buhari come. You know say a lot of things happen during that NEC meeting. People share petition now for that NEC meeting. Maybe they remove national chairman. You know what? When over 90-something people, 90% of the people want a national chairman who has worked hard for the party, who has returned a president that was not even popular, a national chairman who live in family, work so hard to make sure say this party win. I even remember when me and I talk, you tell me say, make una go back, go do anything possible for President Buhari to win. Say if President Buhari not win, you know what they do. When you know the way the election thing happen, the person will not sleep day and night, when you coordinate the whole nation, when you feel still boast, say you be party member today, you won't get up now, you say, now so kill Abel, now so it create problem. Now, Adam Soshomole not create any problem for Edo. If you look at the problem when it happen for this Edo State now people within a certain area where we come from, so now they disenfranchised with how certain things are wrong. Okay. You know when the national chairman eventually got involved in the matter, he only talks to me they resolve this issue. That is why the man go ahead to set up the first peace resolution committee. They say they not agree. They say they don't believe in now. When they set up the other one, even comment and whatever come out. So when those peace committee never do their job, it will be wrong for anybody to come talk say, the national chairman be secretary, the national chairman be this, the national chairman be that. The national chairman they beneath when they throw bomb, they shoot people out. And nobody question them. So when people they say certain things, they talk
no, take them up.
No, take them up. They talk about the way it is there in order to talk say national chairman not do this or do that. National chairman has done so well. He has delivered, and even the president yesterday, he went to see him after the court ruling. He even give the president the lifeline on the issue.
Okay, so the people maybe go tell us, don't suspend me.
No, he make her understand, say, people they go around to use court system where they very corrupt, with all due respect. Even the judge where they talk for the matter, he never supposed to talk for the matter. Everything that they use money do. Now everything we go to pretend to ourselves, be like person where they go church, at the end they do bad. Now that one with the see so. No, not even going to all that issue. Person will come up, even bring. Okay, when national chairman they say they remove the national chairman, purported remover. Thank God, see today it's still the national chairman. Our number one guy here will be our papa. You know, when they dance, how you go dey happy say person will help you become governor, spend hell, work tirelessly day and night. Then you dey happy say this person the remover. I'm not facing that in day wrong. Now people will run down guy like Mr. Tony Alile. So imagine say they talk to governor now about this matter, and the man not be really politician from time. Instead of them to guide the man, help the man, may everybody come together to resolve issues.
All the guide and where
most of them say that they're hungry, so if they not tell a lie, they don't get money to eat. Me, I get money to eat, I don't go feel like.
Okay, no wahala. Okay. No wahala. Time to be our friend. In this, no. We not go back today. If we make it talk and respond, we don't go live here today. In this case now. Mr. Alile, what do you feel say be the best way out of this logjam?
The best way be say make them fair respect the court process.
Which of them now?
The original court, not be the one where they go buy for Kano. They go buy that judgment. And that man will go interfere for
you know what I like for this whole thing? What I like for this whole thing, say, the first some people will be say they sympathy with the governor because the way they sound now, let's say they sympathy with the governor.
Yeah.
Wait now. So you go, they go buy her. People when they sympathy with Oshomole, say yes, they go that place, they go buy her. They do the cause of come on. Maybe say yes, fear, no, let me talk for here now.
Say yes,
so that be the thing. So we not gonna know who can buy or who can sell.
My brother, listen.
So the way to go out of this thing, that be the way we did.
You see, the way out and what I've always believed in. I'm not a psycho fan.
Okay.
I'm not a hungry. You know me very well.
Yeah, I know me today.
You know, for 8 years, I don't near government house. I survived it, and you know, I survive on my own. Anytime I'm with the governor, I tell him the truth. I tell him as it is. Any forum that I happen to be, I've always preached one thing: peace. Because I don't belong to party where crisis don't affect badly.
And you remain.
And I remain. So crisis is not good for any political party. As the whole thing stands today, APC needs to put their house together. If Oga retrace his step for up, I mean Oga Oshomole now, retrace his step for up, think before he talk, and think before he act. All these things are very small things.
Okay.
You understand? So as me, I want peace for us to move into our
Okay, for you,
the way they speak now, I don't know whether I'm a PDP member, whether I'm a APC member. Okay. He say not be politician, but he speak like one. He say not be lawyer, he speak like one.
No, he don't talk everything. No, listen. I feel remind you. He say he know for the political party before. He say because a cousin.
The contest.
Okay. I see no problem. And he say anytime we say deal with I go later and say the way
I know them. I know cousins. Okay. I go tell Oga Alile say Don Pedro Obaseki when he bordered the contest, the governor today. Most of these cousins they're not general. Okay. Maybe now when they be governor. When we people where they the party will work, the Oshomole will carry the problem, carry all the enmity. We put the brother as the governor for office today. When most of the cousins they campaign for PDP against them. Today they don't come, many not be sacrificed. They don't become friends. You see, what's going to be the solution to this problem? I hope and pray that if Excellency is not the listener, he go see here and two other means. All those people way around them, so-called cousins, may approach them. All those politicians where they hungry way around them, may approach them. Whether people they buy vote or they know they buy a court judgment or not. You and I know say when court never get right to entertain matter, we never make sense. When word want to remove a whole national chairman and court the entertainer, you suppose ask yourself who buy judgments. So if we want to resolve this matter, as it still be, so I believe say peace now the highest thing. Even when people go war, even when the fire gone,
at the end of the day, they'll say come back.
So all those people who around there, so 90% of them, they will run live before the election.
Okay, you repeat yourself.
Make it work there for them. My brother, make it resolve this matter.
They say they bring in EPM members.
No, I agree to you, Don, when we say you take show your face here, and I agree to Tony and Lile when we say you take show your face here, and I trust you say we'll continue to do these things rightly. We will take a small break now. We don't talk about look the matter IB. We take a small break. We'll continue for where we say we'll come back. Don't go anywhere. Stay with us.